day again, another day, another Jimny mode. So today we have the strat bar from Cusco.
GB6474 model.
So that's it. Cusco, it's really Japan made. Even here, other safety. It's other way around. It's here. It's made in Japan. So let's open it now. Indicator without the scissor. Open it. Instruction manual will be inside. Let's open it. There we go. In Japanese. See? Instructions in Japanese. So let's open what's this. What's inside? So we're going to get a brace. So 2 pieces of the brace and 4 screws. So let's go. So guys, we have to loosen this this bolt because actually it's a little bit tight, so you cannot move the bracket. So now we have to loosen this one. Anything else, guys? What we need actually. So what tools that I needed to remove these screws. So we need to have an Allen wrench. So this is the Allen wrench. This is size 8mm, and we need the open wrench and box wrench for size 17mm. So okay, continue. So we'll go to the engine bay now. By the way, so this there will be 2 holes from the body itself. So from this side, these 2 holes, and same on the other side. So we'll try to this inside the screw that is included in the package. So it's easy. I already installed one of these screw. So now the second screw, it's a little bit tricky because you really need to hold this bracket properly. Anyway, before I forget, so we also need the 10mm. If you have socket, it's more better, more convenient. So, but right now this is the only one I have. So on the other side, we'll go to the other side. Pull and just have to hold this little bit tight, otherwise it might fall inside. So that's the tricky part. What's that? You can see. Side. Let me check if this one fits inside. No, it can't do anything. So we need to use the open wrench or box wrench to tighten it. The other side. Little bit tight on this side. Just to have, just need to have a patience to tighten it. Tighten the bracket. So now we'll go straight to this bolts. So guys, don't forget it's an 8mm Allen wrench and 17mm of the nut. I guess it's already tight. Oh, yeah, see? Okay. So now we'll just have to remove the protected film. See now. installing our strut bar from Cusco. So as you can see, my engine looks basic because you remember that I have a video last time when I installed the greedy air intake. So I removed for the meantime, but the base is still here. As you can see, the base of the greedy. I removed that for the meantime. You know, the reason why it's... I don't want to explain more, but the reason is that one. See, it's heavily raining here. So the roads are flooded. So I decided to remove it just for my own safety. So I will not be stuck on the water. So yun lang guys. So see you on my next Jimny Mo.